So I guess this is the first actual proof that Russia's doing an actual bombing that never came from CNN. Uh, yeah, this is from the EnglishMill.ru website, I guess. But if if the Russians and the West are supposed enemies fighting each other, that doesn't even make sense. Are you people just stupid? Look at this. Allies of World War One: French, British, Russian Empire. Allies of World War Two: United States, Russia, UK, China, France, the UN right here. Who are they overthrowing in World War One? Central Powers. Austria-Hungary, the German, Ottoman, Bulgarian. I'm just saying that these people are working together. I want to know what you guys think are coming out of wars. We're going to stop terrorists. We're going to stop Russia. The Russia and U.S. are allies. I don't know. I don't know who they're bombing, because they're the ones allying together to fight the terrorists that they all create. So it doesn't look good for the empires.